Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our next video is about the progress check 2 units from 4 to 6. Write an or nothing, there or nothing. So let's get started. Hi Bill, thank you for your email. Your new bedroom sounds great. Well, I have got a big bedroom, but I share it with Diego, my brother. Let me tell you about it. The walls in the room are light blue and the carpet is gray. We have got a TV and a CD player in our room. The TV is big, but because we love watching films, I have got also an amazing collection of DVDs. Well, that's all for now. Write back and tell me about your hobbies, Ricardo. So you can also check the right answers from here. Okay, so next one. Fill in the gaps with A, N, or D. The fridge is empty. Don't worry, I can go to the supermarket today. Have you got. Oh, sorry. We need an onion and a tomato for the recipe. Okay. Have you got a pet? Yes, I have got a beautiful cat. A man standing in the corner over there is Kate's father. Yes, I know. He is an art teacher. So you can see the right answers from here. So fill the gaps with with a lot of, much, or many. There are a lot of apples in the bowl. I haven't got any. I haven't got much money in my purse. Farima has got many friends. There aren't many bananas in the fruit bowl. There is a lot of milk in the bottle. Are there many pears on the tree? There are a lot of people on the bus today. On the bus today. Is there much sugar in the jar? Are there many children in the classroom? We are late. We haven't got much time. Hurry up. So you can see also the right answers. Let's get the next one. So look at the picture. Look at the pictures and write the questions and answers. So, how many tomatoes are there? There aren't many tomatoes. So, we need to look at the food here and drinks here and write the what we see here. So, there is the answers you can check. How much cola is there? There isn't much cola. How many strawberries are there? There are a lot of strawberries. How many apples are there? There aren't many apples. How much milk is there? There is a lot of milk. How much bread is there? There isn't much bread. How much butter is there? There is a lot of butter. How much cheese is there? There isn't much cheese. Okay, so the next one, fill in the gaps with some, any, or no. I am going to supermarket to buy some things. There is no milk in the fridge and we haven't got any coffee. Do you need anything? Can you get some biscuits, please? Yes, of course. Anything else? Oh, and some flour because I want to make some cakes this afternoon, and there isn't enough. Are there uh, Aren't there any cakes in the fridge? No, there are no cakes in the fridge. So you can also check the right answers. Okay, next one. Fill in the gaps with something, anything, somewhere, nowhere, or someone. So let's get started. Let's get something to eat. Good idea. Where do you want to go on the holiday? I want to go somewhere warm and sunny. What is the noise? I don't hear anything. That man over there looks like someone I know. Are you sure? Let's go shopping. Oh, I can't right now because I am doing something else. This cafe is crowded, I know. There is nowhere to sit. Also, you can check the right answers from here. So the next one underlines the correct item. Hi, Caroline. How are you? I am mailing you about our shopping plans for today. The fridge is almost empty, so we need to buy a lot of things for the party. We need lots of bottles of cola and some bottles of lemonade. We also have got. We also have to get a lot of pizza and some burgers. We haven't got any bread, so can you get some on your way home? I want to make sandwiches, but there is no cheese, so we have to buy some. We also need lots of plastic plates and cups because we haven't got any. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to buy some decorations. Email me when you can. Cynthia. So you can also see the right answers from here. Okay, and the last one, let's check it.
Progress check 2, exercise 8, page 39. Look at the picture. Listen and draw lines.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Is Julie in the park today?
Yes, she is.
Has Julie got a dog?
Yes, she has. She's got a white dog. Can you see it?
Oh, yes. Julie has got a white dog.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Can you see Ben in the park?
Yes, I can.
Has he got a kite?
No, he hasn't. He's got a ball.
Oh, yes. Ben has got a ball. I can see him now.
2.
Is Sally in the park?
Yes, she is.
Has she got a horse?
No, she hasn't. Sally has got a dog. It's black.
Oh, yes. I can see Sally and I can see her dog.
3.
Is David in the park today?
Yes, he is.
What's he doing?
He's got a newspaper and he's reading it.
Oh, yes. I can see him now.
4.
Can you see Amy in the park?
Yes, I can.
Has she got a bike?
No, she hasn't. Amy can't ride a bike, but she can ride a horse.
Oh, yes. Amy has got a horse.
5.
Is John in the park?
Yes, he is.
Can John play basketball?
No, he can't. John can fly a kite. Look!
Oh, yes. John has got a red kite.
Now listen again.
Okay, I have done some of them. So you can also check the lines from here. Okay, and also you can see the right answers from here. So let me do this. Okay, this is Amy, this is Ben. So we have Lawson and John. So John is flying a kite. So this is John. Let me do this. So this is John. Okay, we have done all of them, I see. So that was the last one. See you on the next video.